It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Thursday, the 5th of March. I'm Michael Groff. Break out the shorts, get those air conditioners fired up. Temperatures well above average today through Saturday. We'll be up in the mid-80s, but then an increase in clouds and a small chance of a shower in here Saturday night and Sunday. But the big story is unsettled weather with the potential of a widespread and significant rain event in here for the middle part of next week. Let's dive in and talk about it. Yesterday in the valley, 75 the afternoon high, 51 degrees the morning low, pretty close to those normals of 74 and 51. Outside now at 7:55 a.m., mostly sunny skies out there. We're sitting at 55 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 43, humidity 62%, the winds are light, and the barometer is rising. Temperatures out there this morning, 40 degrees, the cool spot at Fort McDowell, 41 at Goldfield. Most of us are in the mid-40s to mid-50s. Satellite picture across the country. Yes, we are under an area of high pressure. That'll be the dominant weather feature for the next few days. And about the only sensible weather we'll see is some periods of high clouds. The watch warning map, all of the action is across the plain states where we have some wind advisories and red flag warnings. And in the southeast, flash flood watches and flood advisories continue for parts of Alabama and Georgia, where it's been just an incredibly wet winter and now heading into early spring. The convective outlook for today, we've got the standard slight risk of severe storms, parts of South Georgia and North Florida, with a marginal risk for the adjacent areas. And precipitation for the next 7 days coming from the WPC. Look at that. Rainfall amounts here in the valley in excess of 1 inch, as much as 1.5 inches, and 2 to 3 inches for the higher terrain of northern Maricopa County, parts of Gila and southern Yavapai as well. And we'll talk about why that is. What's going on with this weather pattern as we check out the models. Have a look. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. High pressure in control, heights above average. Down at the surface, that means sunny skies this morning will become partly cloudy this afternoon. And it'll be warm, much warmer than yesterday. Highs getting up into the low to mid-80s. Tonight, partly cloudy and mild, lows mid-50s to around 60. And then tomorrow, again, partly cloudy and warm, highs in the mid-80s. Saturday, partly sunny skies, high temperatures again, somewhere in the low 80s. With more clouds, I think temperatures will come down a couple of degrees. And then Saturday night and for the day on Sunday, mostly cloudy skies roll in as a weak wave moves on through. Scattered showers will be present over southeast Arizona and the east central mountains, and of course over New Mexico and northern Mexico. But I don't think we're going to see a whole lot out of this here in Phoenix. There might be an isolated shower, though we can't completely rule that out. So we'll put a 10% chance of rain in the forecast for the period. But even if you see some rain out of this, it would be very light. So certainly not enough to cancel any outdoor activities. High temperatures will be a bit cooler on Sunday. We'll be in the mid-70s. Monday, that moves out of here, and partly cloudy skies take over. Highs back in the mid and upper 70s, but a deepening system off to the west. The subtropical jet is getting drawn northward, and moisture is increasing to the west, so we'll see some rain heading into the Southern California coast at that point. Then on Tuesday, the clouds thicken, and it'll become cloudy by the afternoon. We'll see the rain rolling into Arizona at that point. Some of the rain could be heavy, especially over Southern California. So we'll introduce a chance of rain in here for Tuesday afternoon, and the models are coming into pretty good agreement. Now, exactly how much moisture moves northward and how much rain this ultimately produces, there's still quite a bit of model spread here. It's a little bit too early to call, but this could be a very significant rain event. Tuesday night and Wednesday, that low moves on in, and so we'll see scattered to numerous showers, and it could be an event where we see rain all day on Wednesday of next week. But again, a little early to get caught up on timing and intensity just yet. This is just an idea that's on the table, but it is looking more likely that we'll see significant rain here across most of the state. And the snow levels will be fairly high from this system regardless of how it pans out, because this is a warmer system with subtropical moisture involved. High temperatures will still be on the mild side considering we'll have plenty of rain around. Highs generally in the low and middle 70s. All right, here's a week from today. This is Thursday, the 12th of March. That system now beginning to move to the south and east. Maybe still some showers around over southeast Arizona at that time. And then going out 10 days to the end of the forecast period. This is Saturday, the 14th of March. And another low setting up well to the west with a very broad ridge over the northeast Pacific. So that's helping to deepen another low out there. If this is correct, we would be dry. The European has a slightly different solution, though, with a low over central and northern California and a deeper southwesterly flow and potentially some more unsettled weather in here. So we are entering a more active weather period beginning late in the weekend and heading through much of next week. Let's take a look at what the models think in terms of how much rain we might get. Here's the QPF off the European Ensemble. There's 51 members here. Model spread is pretty high, ranging from practically nothing all the way up to over 3 inches. The Ensemble mean is approaching 1.5 inches now, with the latest deterministic model checking in at almost 2 inches of rain. So not sure we're going to see that much, but this could be a significant rain event. We will keep you posted on that. Temperatures off the national blend of models, we'll be up in the mid-80s for the next few days, and then cooling off with more clouds and more active weather coming in for next week, but not overly cold due to the warm nature of this system. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to like, subscribe, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever we post a brand new video, you'll be alerted. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thanks so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. Be safe out there. You guys have yourselves a great Thursday.